So students, we are going to start with the application of modern biology. Application of modern biology, it means it is a branch which deals with the betterment of our future. Now, so how our future can increase if we have greater supply of food, are diseased free. Okay, we are getting an antidote for each and every against disease, new disease. Nowadays we all are facing the coronavirus is there. So to protect ourselves, we are again, the scientists are developing a new vaccine so that we can combat it. So how this can be possible? It can be made possible only with the help of the biology and the engineering. You all have studied the different science, okay, getting together. So the first thing which we are going to start is the application of biology in agriculture. So it is said that it is the form of the applied molecular biology, okay, applied biology, in which the agriculture we are getting plants. If I tell you in a simpler language, nowadays you all know the population, human population is increasing. If the human population is increasing, so for the demand for the food will increase. So how can the demand, the crop production will be same. So to meet the demand, the crop production has to be increased. For increasing the crop production, it is said that the production should be increased. So how can this production can be increased? It can be increased by application with the help of the biology. And when we use the hybrid plant, okay, hybrid plant, it means it is a mixture of a good yield. You are producing a good yield of plant which will reproduce, or which will the production rate of this plant will be greater. It can be greater 10 times, 20 times, or much more than that. So within a short period of time, the food production has to be increased. So we know what is our staple food: rice, wheat. These are staple food. So if we keep on getting this food in a requisitive time, then naturally the scarcity, or you can say the scarcity of the food, will be decreased. Okay, so it is set here the hybridization technique. What is it? It is a technique by which a new variety of plant is produced. Apart from that, it is a disease resistant plant having a greater yield. Okay, so it is said here the example of the hybrid plant which is being produced, it is IR8. Okay, and other example is Tachung, etc. In case of wheat, it is Kalyan Sona. And now we are going to see the application of biology in medicine. So discovery of antibiotics like penicillin, streptomycin, chloromycetin also help to combat many of these threatening diseases. Penicillium, you all know, it is a vaccine which is used, or it is a antibiotic which is used against the pneumonia. And apart from it, insulin, you all know, it is used to treat which disease? It is used to treat the diabetics. And yes, human growth factor can prevent the dwarfism in the human beings also. So these are the practices by which the benefit can be given to the mankind. Okay, now what we are going to see, we are going to see the application of biology in the space. So the role of biology has become important in the space research also. The green algae like chlorella was kept in spaceship for providing what? For providing the constant food, or you all know of constant food like oxygen. And at the same time, this chlorella plant can be consumed by the space astronauts also. So chlorella, it is having two things. Once it since it is an algae, it is green in color, and it creates or it supplies oxygen in the spacecraft. Secondly, if the astronauts are hungry, they can consume this chlorella as a food. So in two ways it is helping the astronauts. Okay, so up to here we are done. We'll continue in the next class with the cloning. Okay, that is cloning of how the cloning of the animal is done, and then we'll complete this chapter. Thank you, class.